Hey everyone, I am Ganesh, and in this video I'll show you how to create a custom QR code online for free using Adobe Express. It's fast, easy and beginner friendly. First, go to Adobe Express. On the home page, search for QR code generator. It's completely free tool and it works right inside your browser. Now, paste the link or text you want your QR code to point to. It could be a website, Instagram page, product listing, contact form, or even a message. This step is super quick and lets you connect your audience to anything you want. Now comes the fun part, customizing your QR code. You can change the color, the shape of the corners, and even the background. This is great if you are adding it to your posters, menus, product packaging, or branding materials. Adobe Express shows you a live preview of everything you change. Once you are happy with how it looks, click on download. You'll get a high resolution PNG or SVG file, perfect for printing, digital use or adding it to your designs. Here are some real life ways you can use your QR code. Add it to product packaging to link to how to video. Place it on a cafe or restaurant menu. Put it on your business card for easy contact sharing. Add it to flyers or event posters. Or link it to payment apps like UPI, WhatsApp or PayPal. And that's how simple it is to create a QR code online for free using Adobe Express. It is perfect for creators, freelancers, and small businesses who want to share links faster and look professional doing it. Try Adobe Express now. The link is in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tutorials.